So you've probably seen my other videos where I've been doing a walk around of the Sugarcreek train depot. Oh, this is the platform of the once proud depot. And we're going to go inside. Wheeling and Lake Erie Railroad timetable. This is where you would buy your tickets.
Look, they restored this thing. The train? Yeah. Before and after photos. That's the train right there.
Oh. They're talking about getting several feet of snow in the west.
How much?
7 feet.
7?
Oh, and here's a friendly reminder of the proud tourist trains. Hopefully that will become happening once again.
That's something.
Platform just looking out. Many more miles to go. May there be hopes ahead for us. Well, I hope you enjoyed the depot tour as well as the steam locomotive tour, and I'll catch you guys later. 93 out.